2018 Ford Transit Custom reverse camera. Fitted the camera just up on here where the number plate light is. It's a good view of the tow bar and all. Show you what it looks like inside. These new Transits come with the tablet style screen in the dash. So we'll show you what way it works when it displays on that. Turn it on. The reverse, as you can see, there's a tow bar and it keeps the image for the parking sensors up on the right hand side as well. Knock it off again, back out of reverse. If that's something you want, give us a shout. Connect Mobile Solutions.